In this assignment, we are going to make our first 3D model in Catia. We are going to make this 3D model, so let's get started. First, draw a centered rectangle from origin, give some dimension 60 mm and 80 mm, exit workbench, apply pad feature, give length of 12 mm, OK. Now select this face and sketch, select profile tool and draw this random sketch. Now give dimension to it 30 mm, 15 mm, 10 mm, 15, 10, 15 and 10 mm. Now select this point and apply coincident constraint between them. Now select line and close this sketch. In order to make 3D model, our sketch must be closed body. Now our sketch is fully ready. Exit workbench, apply pad feature. The pad is applied in wrong direction. So reverse the direction from here and give length of 60 mm. And here is our 3D model. Again select sketch and draw this random sketch. Make these 2 points coincidence to each other and repeat here too. And this is our required sketch. Exit workbench, apply pad feature, reverse the direction, give length of 10 mm, OK. And here is our final 3D model. Now we are going to make this 3D part. First, draw centered rectangle, give dimension 48 mm and 90 mm. Exit workbench, apply pad feature, give length of 10 mm, OK. Select this face and sketch, select line, draw some random sketch like this, give dimension 40 mm and 40 mm. Now select 3-point arc, select first point, second point and third point. Now give dimension to this arc, give 25 mm radius. Now close the sketch. Exit workbench, apply pad feature, reverse the direction, give length of 48 mm, select this face and sketch, select circle and draw from this center point. Give diameter of 20 mm. Now select both these circles and apply concentricity constraint between them. Exit workbench. Now select pocket feature. Make sure depth of pocket is 48 mm and OK. And here is our pocket. Now select this face and sketch. Click on zoom fit to fit the sketch. Now select a line, draw this line. Again select line and this time draw from here. Select this line and this arc. Now give a tangency constraint between them. Select line and draw from here. Press escape. First zoom a little bit. Now select line and extend this line to this point. Again select line. Draw this line. Now select these points and give coincident constraint between them. Drag this point a little bit. Now exit workbench, select pad feature, reverse the direction, Give length of 8 mm, and here is our model. Now select this face and sketch. Draw a rectangle. Give dimension 14 mm, 20 mm. Now define its position 10 mm and 13 mm. Exit workbench, pocket feature, give depth of 10 mm and OK. And here is our final 3D model.